Today I'm going to teach you how to edit text in Photoshop. So let's say that you've made a text layer here, but you can't figure out how to edit it. You can't figure it out. So one of the options here, you can go to any tool here and just double click on it, and that will put you into the text editor mode. Alternatively, if you go here to this T, that will also put it into the mode. Now you can see here, the icon changes when I scroll over it. That means I'm about to activate it and edit it. So now I can click and drag on it, and I can change the color of it, for example. Here we go. Now I can also change the font here. And next to this, you can change the boldness and style of the font. So let's say I want it really thin. Nice. I can also change the size of the font. I can change where it sits on the page. I can add different styles of curves to it. I can do this here. Change the bend of it. And then if I go over here, there's a ton of more settings that you can use. They're really useful, and there's so much you can do with this. Now lastly, if you want to change and add some smoke or something like that, add some drop shadow, double click on this here, go down to drop shadow. There's tons of different effects down here that you can add on it, and you can make it look really good, and it really changes your work from being average to being really great. So if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please like, subscribe and comment down below that it worked.